Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website, www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, and a tarot and oracle card reader. So let's get you your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of September. This is for my dear Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest you generate yours. Kindly go sa description section ko. I got there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Taurus as your rising / ascendant sign, then this is your reading. Kasi based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising / ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, my dear Taurus, let's proceed first on getting to know kung ano ba yung angel number that you had been seeing recently and might be the confirmation of this reading. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Taurus. So we have 4. Wow, 4. And we have here 11. So kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 4442. I'm going to make this as a 2 as a certain confirmation of this particular reading. You might be seeing a lot of 4/4s kasi nakita natin dito we have 444, 44, 444, then 11, 111, 1111. Then I'm seeing the 1010 on the side, 1010, 1212. Dahil may 1212, we have 22, 222 as a certain confirmation of this particular reading. So you might be having or you might be seeing a lot of this particular angel number recently. Wherein itong mga angel number na ito, this is a certain confirmation that you're on the right path or a certain reminder that be mindful of what you're thinking. So, focus on the positive side kasi we are the creator of our reality. I already pulled your cards for this particular reading. So, yung previous first 6 readings ko, I shuffled it live. Kaya lang dahil I wanted to do this
battery
right
level
away.
90%.
So, may interference. So, that is the reason why I pre-pulled na yung cards. So, the general energy for you this month of September, my dear Taurus, is we have here the planet Jupiter. So, wherein the planet Jupiter speaks about your confidence, courage, self-belief, and luck. So, with the Jupiter, this is growth and expansion. So, this is a month for you that it's time for you to take the risk, take a leap of faith, remove the limitation that you are imposing yourself. So, the way that you are believing yourself, kasi you are the creator of your reality. So, if you are telling yourself that you are not worthy, that you are not good enough, that you are not capable enough, yun yung nagiging reality mo. So, it's time for you to change your perspective, change the way that you are seeing things, and also change the way that you are talking to yourself. You had to be the first one to like, love, accept, and respect the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. So, yung current energy mo, my dear Taurus, so might be you are a little bit stubborn. We have here the Emperor energy. Medyo matigas ang ulo mo. There are certain things that you are having a hard time learning or having a hard time making a certain decision. Wherein, we have here the Emperor. It's time for you to strategize. It's time for you to plan certain things. Kaya lang, you are just sitting there waiting for things to happen. So, this is the month for you that it's time for you to make things happen by taking accountability, taking responsibility of your own life. Don't wait around for the decisions and actions of people around you. It's time for you to take the inspired action with the energy of the Emperor. Kasi the energy of the Emperor is masculine, Aries energy. Kailangan mo mag-take ng action. But don't make impulsive decision. Kasi sometimes dahil with the Aries energy and also this is a powerful, if you happen to have Jupiter and Aries, I'm channeling on that. So don't be impulsive in making certain decision. Come from a practical and logical sense when making decisions and in actions. And this is telling you to make the inspired action on a certain situation, career man yan, financial situation, or relationship. And also, another reminder that don't be impulsive in making certain decisions. So other way around yun, it's either this is a month for you to take the inspired action, taking the risk, taking a leap of faith. Kung ikaw yung nire-restrict mo yung sarili mo, you had been restricting yourself. But if you are kumbaga impulsive decision maker, or yung basta ka na lang just making certain decision, this is a time for you to be strategic on your certain decisions and your actions. Wherein the obstacle that you are needing to overcome is yung finding peace, harmony, balance within yourself. Kasi nga, you are worrying about certain things that you cannot control, kaya you are making drastic decision, making impulsive action on things that is not aligned to your highest purpose or highest good. Kasi nga, impulsive decision making ka with the Emperor energy, that you are being stubborn. So, kaya yung mga things that is coming your way or will be coming your way will be out of alignment to your highest growth. Kasi nga, you are making decision based on your emotions, when you're angry, when you're devastated, when you are envying other people. So that is the obstacle that you are needing to overcome, making drastic decisions, approach, actions that is not aligned to your highest good. So it's time for you to find peace, harmony, balance within yourself, find the soulmate within you. Wherein, it's time for you to bring balance to yourself. As I've said, with this certain energy, other than giving away all of your time, love, effort, energy to other people, situation, opportunity, worrying about things that you cannot control, then it's time for you to control what you think, what you imagine, what you speak, and what you visualize. Kasi you are the creator of your reality. Before you give your time, love, energy, effort to everyone else, it's time for you to give it to yourself first. Love yourself, value yourself, and respect yourself, my dear Taurus. So that is the outcome, or that is the certain inspired action needed from you. So let's see what is the current energy of your career. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what is the current energy? So current energy of your career, we have here Ten of Pentacles. You are unstable dahil you are not making practical, logical decisions and actions. So, kaya tendency, you are quite unstable kasi you tend to spend too much on what you can earn. So, this is the time for you to reassess your financial income. So, kung ano man yung pumapasok, dapat less lang doon yung ini-spend mo. You had to be mindful of your spending. So, kasi you are into finer things in life. Kasi you are ruled by the planet Venus. Kasi Taurus, ruled by the planet Venus, you are more onto finer things. So, you had to be practical and logical when it comes to your financial situation and how you handle your money. Kasi you're quite unstable. And for your career, you're unstable, unsecured, insecure. Kasi nga, you had been relying on other people's opinion and what is currently happening in your reality for your worth and your value as a certain individual. Ikaw dapat ang unang maniwala at magtiwala sa capacity mo, sa knowledge mo, sa talents mo, sa skills mo, my dear Taurus. You had to be the first one to like, love, respect, and accept the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. And you had to be your first support system, number one supporter, and number one fan. Ikaw dapat ang unang maniwala sa capacity mo, sa skills mo, my dear Taurus. Kaya you are quite unstable, insecure, kasi nga you had been relying on other people's validation, or you might have been comparing yourself to other people. So this is a time for you to take accountability, take responsibility of your own life, wherein kung ano man yung opinion, actions, or what is currently happening in your reality, it's not the basis of your value and your worth as a certain individual. So what is the action that is needed from you, my dear Taurus? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what is the action needed for my dear Taurus? So, it's time for you to learn the lesson. We have here the High Priestess, karmic lesson. So, remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So, again, it's time for you to reassess what are your decisions and your actions. Don't make impulsive decisions and actions that is out of alignment to your highest growth. So, before you make decision, try to come from a practical and logical sense. make it a point to reassess kung ito bang decisions and actions that you are making when it comes to your career, your finances, your relationship in general is going to bring you the peace, harmony, balance that you had been looking for. So, kumbaga, kung ito yung makakapagbigay sa iyo ng peace of mind, then this is the right decision for you. So, it's time for you to learn the lesson that is provided by every obstacle, challenges, setback, trials, delays, breakup, separation that you had encountered when it comes to your career, finances, business, and relationship or love life in general. And also, ano ba yun? Wala ako dun It's time for you to trust the process on how things are unfolding in your life. Remember, my dear Taurus, the important thing is not the future, it's not the outcome, it's not the money, it's not the possession, it's not the fame, yung magiging viral ka. It's not the important thing. The important thing is the process or the journey that you are currently transcending. The obstacles and challenges that you needed to overcome. Wherein, nandun yung lesson that you needed to learn on how you will be able to sustain and to handle the possible future or outcome. So when it comes to your relationship, what is your current energy? When we say relationship, it's not only if regardless if you are single, if you are in a certain connection, situationship, relationship, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, or you are in your healing journey, kumbaga, it doesn't matter. So, kasi when we say relationship, the first relationship that you have is with yourself. So, how you are treating yourself is a reflection of how you are receiving it from other people around you, particularly with the love connection. So, what is the current energy of my dear Taurus when it comes to their love life and relationship? You're in the crossroad. You're conflicted. So you are blinded by the situation. You don't see things clearly as of the moment. So my dear Taurus, for you to be able to make decisions and actions, for you to take the risk, take a leap of faith, you had to remove the limitation that you are imposing yourself. The blindfolds that you had been having sa sarili mo. So, instead of worrying about things that you cannot control, my dear Taurus, focus on the things that you can control, which is what you think, what you imagine, what you visualize, and what you speak, because that becomes your reality. So, kung ano man yun nangyari when it comes to your connection, relationship, situationship, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, if there had been a pause, little to no contact at all, third party, doesn't have to be a person yung third party. It can be friends, family, money, mismong yung person mo, yung third-party interference kasi they are self-sabotaging. Or, it's either yung mga traumas and issues nila, yung third-party interference. So, kung may mga nangyaring ganun, when it comes to your connection, your relationship, your situationship, or your love life, so it's time for you to step back and see the bigger picture on why things had to happen, why that breakup took place, why that third party happened, why did that certain obstacles, challenge, argument, conflict happen between you and people around you. There is a reason for everything. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn, my dear Taurus. So what will be the action needed from you, my dear Taurus, when it comes to your love life or relationships in general? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what is the action? So what is needed from you, my dear Taurus? It's time for you to heal. Heal from certain wounds, traumas, or issues that you had been triggered. Probably for some of you had been triggered by a certain connection or what had happened, na meron ka pala mga traumas and issues that you haven't resolved or haven't healed from. So this is the time for you to heal from them, acknowledge them, try to address what are the certain traumas and issues that you have. So for example, for those who don't know about ano yung traumas and issue, if you came from a broken family, separated parents, coming from a toxic or abusive partnership or relationship, you grew up without a father, you grew up without a mother, so more on yung material things, yung pinipresent sa'yo na love, care, value, respect coming from your family, from your parents, those certain example of experience are considered traumas or issues kasi it influence kung paano tayo mag-show up in our relationship. So it's time for you to address them kung anong klase man yung na-experience nyo from the past kasi it influences how you handle your relationships in general, particularly for your career, your finances. So this is a time for you to heal and have hope that all of your wishes will be coming true, my dear Taurus. So let's see what is the oracle guidance that you needed the most, my dear Taurus, when it comes to your career, your love life, or relationships in general. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what is the oracle guidance for my dear Taurus? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, oracle guidance for my dear Taurus. Okay, so we have here the 2. We have here Lady Nada, Heart Awakening. So, awaken to acceptance and divine love. Give and receive in balance. So, same energies with the 6 of Pentacles. So, before you give all of your love, care, value, respect to other people, before you give it to them, give it to yourself first. Kasi kung ano man yung i-give mo sa kanila, love, care, value, respect, time, and energy, it's only an additional or excess from you. So, don't give all of your all to other people, situation, mindset, and people around you. Kasi what you are giving them is how you are teaching them to give it to others but not to you. So, the way that you are loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. And also, with Heart Awakening, it's time for you to be open and ready for the different possibilities on the horizon. Don't get too attached. Don't get too fixated to the idea of the outcome. Focus on the now. Focus on what you needed to do as of the moment. Don't dwell in the past because the past is already written. Tapos na yun. For you to move forward in life, you have to be able to forgive the people who have hurt you, forgive the situation that caused you pain, and also forgive yourself. But if forgiveness cannot be given to the people around you or significant person or the situation that caused you pain, the only thing that you can do from it is take the insight, take the learning, and apply the necessary changes in the now so that it will not be happening again in the near future. And we have here soul expansion, Mabahatar, Babaji. So your consciousness is expanding. You understand the connections between all things. So it's time for you to find peace, harmony, balance within yourself. Find the soulmate within you. And for you to be able to make certain decisions, actions regarding your situation for your career, your finances, and your love life, you had to remove the limitation. Kasi we have here the Jupiter. It's time for you to remove the limitation that you have within yourself, telling yourself that you are not worthy, that you are not good enough, you are not capable enough, focusing on the negativity, the fear, the doubts, the anxiety. You need to remove them and you need to step outside of your comfort zone. Kasi, paano mo malalaman if those certain opportunity is worth the risk if you are not making the necessary decisions and actions? And for you to be able to make the decisions and action, you had to remove the blindfolds, remove the limitation that you're imposing yourself. So let's see what is the messages coming from your spirit guides, ancestors, angel, spirit, universe, ancestors. Okay, we have here Weasel. So, be silent, pay attention, and simply observe with your eyes, ears, and physical feelings what is happening inside and all around you. So, for you to be able to make the certain decision, my dear Taurus, it's time for you to step back and see the bigger picture on why things are currently happening. It's happening for your highest good. It's not happening to persecute you, to punish you, but it's happening for you, not to you. Okay? So, one more. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. Whoa! Dami. I only need one. I only need one, please. One lang, please. One lang, please. So, we have here Peacock. Let yourself stand out and be noticed. So, it's time for you to take the risk. Take a leap of faith. Stop dimming your light. Meaning to say, kaya mo hinuhold back yung sarili mo kasi you don't want to kumbaga, outshine other people. You don't want to make your presence known. So, this is the time for you to make your presence known. It's time for you to remove the limitation that you're imposing yourself, my dear Taurus. Time for you to take the risk. I forgot the angel messages. So, muntik na. So, we have your angel messages pa pala. Sorry. Angel messages. So, wow, we have here 333, I am powerful. You are being called upon to use your spiritual gifts as a light worker, assisting all of humanity. Live your truths and be a positive light to others. I am powerful. If you are like me, who is an intuitive, highly empathetic individual, this is the time for you to shine your light. It's time for you to be authentic. Show the world the real you. Kasi for others of you, you are holding yourself back to fully step into your power kasi nga you are afraid of being criticized, being judged, being discriminated by other people. So this is a reminder, or this is a confirmation that it's time for you to take that risk. Take a leap of faith. So what is your affirmation, my dear Taurus? What is the affirmation? Angel, Spirit, Universe. So your affirmation, I am worthy of connections that are loving and genuine and nourishing. So before you attract those kind of connection, kailangan ikaw muna yung magmahal, rumispeto at magpahalaga sa sarili mo. You need to give yourself the kindness, love, and compassion that you are wanting to receive from other people. Kasi how you are loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So again, this is your reading, my dear Taurus. If this happened to resonate with your situation, do give me a comment, like, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you wanted to avail my services, tarot reading, and join my coaching program, which is Heartful Connection, kindly go to the description section. I got there the instructions or the details on how to avail my services. Or kindly go sa website ko, www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye!